Ever wondered how to make the most out of Figma FigJam for your team collaboration? Well, you're in the right place. FigJam is a dynamic collaboration platform specifically designed with remote teams in mind. It's a digital canvas that facilitates brainstorming, planning, and executing projects in real time. The key to FigJam's effectiveness lies in its unique features. Firstly, it offers real-time collaboration, allowing team members to interact and work together simultaneously, enhancing teamwork. Secondly, it provides remote accessibility, enabling teams to collaborate regardless of their geographical locations. Lastly, it offers idea-sharing tools like stickies, stickers, and stamps. These tools serve as a creative outlet for team members, making brainstorming sessions more engaging and productive. FigJam isn't just a tool, it's a game changer for remote collaboration. Now that you know what FigJam is and what it can do for you, let's dive into how to get started. Creating a new FigJam board is a breeze. It's as simple as clicking on the New button on the top right of your screen and selecting FigJam from the drop-down menu. You can also create a new board from an existing Figma file by going to File and selecting New FigJam in this file. This will create a new tab in your file where you can start brainstorming, planning, and executing your project. The interface of FigJam is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. The main toolbar is located on the left side of your screen. Here you'll find all the tools you need to start collaborating effectively. The hand tool is your basic navigation tool. You can use it to move around your board and zoom in or out. Next, you'll find the shape and pen tools. These tools allow you to draw shapes and lines on your board, making it easy to visualize your ideas. The text tool lets you add text to your board, and the sticky tool allows you to add sticky notes, which are great for jotting down quick ideas or tasks. The stamp tool is a fun and creative way to express your thoughts and ideas. You can use it to add emojis, reactions, and other expressive elements to your board. The connector tool is handy for linking ideas or tasks together, and the comment tool allows you to add comments to your board, making it easy to give feedback and communicate with your team. Last but not least, the Present button located at the top right of your screen allows you to present your board to your team, making it easy to share your ideas and get feedback. Remember, the key to getting the most out of FigJam is to explore and experiment. Don't be afraid to play around with the different tools and features and see what works best for you and your team. With these basics, you're ready to start collaborating in real time. FigJam is packed with features designed for effective collaboration. Let's dive in and explore these collaboration tools that make brainstorming and project planning a breeze. At the heart of FigJam's collaboration features is the ability to interact with your team in real time. Imagine being in a room with your colleagues, throwing ideas at a whiteboard, and seeing them take shape right before your eyes. That's exactly what FigJam offers, but in a virtual space. Now, let's talk about some of these tools. First up, we have stickies. These digital sticky notes are perfect for jotting down ideas, thoughts, or tasks. You can easily move them around, group them together, or color code them for better organization. Then there are stickers. These are fun and creative ways to express your thoughts or react to other team members' input. A thumbs-up sticker, for example, can be a quick and easy way to show agreement or approval. Stamps, on the other hand, are perfect for voting or prioritizing ideas. With stamps, team members can collectively decide which ideas to move forward with, making decision-making more democratic and inclusive. But it's not just about the tools. It's also about how you use them. FigJam encourages real-time communication, making it essential to strategize on how best to foster this within the platform. Regular check-ins, for instance, can ensure that everyone is on the same page. Encouraging open and honest communication can help in the exchange of ideas and make collaboration more efficient. Moreover, FigJam allows for seamless integration with other tools. This means you can bring in data, images, or other resources from different platforms, creating a central hub for all your project needs. In a nutshell, FigJam's collaboration features are all about bringing your team together, facilitating communication, and making collective decision-making easier. It's about turning ideas into action, and doing so in a way that's fun, interactive, and engaging. These collaboration features make FigJam a powerful tool for remote teamwork, so get on board and let your creativity flow in the virtual space that FigJam provides. You'll be surprised at how much you can accomplish when you have the right tools and the right mindset. Did you know that FigJam and Figma can work together seamlessly? That's right. These two platforms are designed to complement each other, enhancing your design process and making collaboration a breeze. FigJam, the dynamic brainstorming tool, and Figma, the powerful design platform, can be integrated in a few simple steps. This integration allows you to bring your FigJam brainstorming directly into your Figma designs, preserving all the formatting and details. So how does this work? It's pretty straightforward. You can copy objects from your FigJam board, whether it's a sticky note, a doodle, or a complex diagram, and simply paste it into your Figma design file. The object will maintain its original formatting, making it easy for you to incorporate your brainstorming into your design. Remember, this integration is not just about transferring objects. It's about creating a seamless workflow that bridges brainstorming and designing, enhancing your team's productivity and creativity. This integration makes it easy to incorporate your FigJam brainstorming into your Figma designs. FigJam's drawing tools are perfect for visualizing concepts and emphasizing key information. With a simple click, you can access a palette of drawing tools to doodle your ideas or highlight crucial elements. Imagine having an infinite canvas where you can sketch out your thoughts freely, whether you're brainstorming a new design or illustrating a complex process. The pen tool is your go-to for freeform drawing, ideal for when you want to sketch a quick idea or outline. The highlighter, on the other hand, allows you to emphasize important areas in your drawings or text, making them stand out for everyone to see. But FigJam doesn't stop there. It offers a variety of colors and stroke widths to choose from, so you can customize your drawings to suit your style or the project's needs. And if you make a mistake, no worries. The erase tool is there to clean up any unwanted marks. With these drawing tools, your FigJam boards will be more engaging and informative. FigJam also has advanced features to take your collaboration to the next level. Let's dive into these advanced features that truly elevate your collaboration experience. FigJam is not just a tool for brainstorming and real-time communication, but it's also a full-fledged project management system. You can create and assign tasks using stickies, track progress with status markers, and even set due dates. This allows you to manage your team's workload directly within FigJam, making it a one-stop solution for your project needs. But that's not all. FigJam also offers features to optimize your workspace. The Layers feature allows you to organize your canvas into sections, much like how you would use layers in a design software. You can hide or show layers depending on what you're currently working on, keeping your workspace clean and clutter-free. And if you're working on a large project with multiple teams, FigJam's Permissions feature comes in handy. You can set different access levels for team members, ensuring everyone has the right level of involvement in the project. Now, let's talk about FigJam's Cursor Chat. This feature allows you to have quick, context-specific discussions right where you're working. Simply click on a teammate's cursor, type in your message, and start a conversation. It's perfect for when you need to ask a quick question or give instant feedback. For those of you who love keyboard shortcuts, FigJam has got you covered. There's a wide range of keyboard shortcuts available to help you navigate and use FigJam more efficiently. Just press on your keyboard to bring up the list of shortcuts. Finally, FigJam offers Version History. This feature allows you to view and revert back to previous versions of your FigJam board. It's a lifesaver when you need to revisit old ideas, or if you accidentally delete something important. With these advanced features, FigJam becomes an even more powerful tool for your team. FigJam is not just for your team, it's also great for collaborating with clients. As we dive into Scene 7, let's explore how FigJam can transform the way you work with clients. FigJam is designed to foster open communication and collaboration. This makes it an ideal platform for client interactions. To start, create a new FigJam board for each project. This dedicated space allows you and your clients to share ideas, give feedback, and track progress in real time. Remember, FigJam's interface is intuitive, so even clients unfamiliar with the platform can easily participate. Next, consider managing projects within Figma teams. This allows for a seamless transition between brainstorming in FigJam and designing in Figma. It also enables you to track project history and keep everything organized. Lastly, inviting clients to your FigJam board is straightforward. Simply share the link and they can join the collaboration. With FigJam, collaborating with clients becomes a smooth and efficient process.